Good morning, ma'am. Gervin Angelo A. Caballero po. Justifying circumstances. Self-defense. Defense of relatives. Defense of strangers. State of necessity. Fulfillment of lawful exercise of rights or office. Obedience to an order for some lawful purpose. A battered woman syndrome. Next, exempting circumstances. Number 1, imbecility or insanity. Second, minority, amended and suspended by RA 9344. Accident without fault of causing it. Compulsion of irresistible force. Uncontrollable fear. Mitigating circumstances. Number 1, incomplete of justifying or exempting. 2, over 15 and under 18 or over 70 years old. Praeter intentionem. Sufficient provocation. Vindication of grave offense. Passion or obfuscation. Passion of or obfuscation. Voluntary surrender. Voluntary surrender. Physical defect. Similar to the nature. And last, plea of guilt or voluntarily confession of guilt. Aggravating circumstances. Number 1, motivating power. Can be the reward, money, or promise. 2, place of the commission, uninhibited and place. Means and ways employed. Treachery and evident premeditation. Treachery and evident premeditation. Time, nocturnity. Personal circumstances, relationship. Last, alternative circumstances, RID. Relationship, intoxication, degree of instruction or education of the offender. Thank you, ma'am.